I'm Mark Thomas, and I'm a presentation speaking coach, and I help business owners and leaders nail their message. Biggest challenge I see is people have too many messages in one presentation. If you think about a radio station, if you're ever listening to the radio and a tune comes in, and all of a sudden you're listening to your favorite tune, and then another station broadcasts on the same frequency, you lose that tune. The other station takes over, gets noisy, eventually you just turn the station off. That's what it's like presenting with more than one message. Your audience are listening to, you're engaged, you have another message which comes in, which confuses it. They then turn out, they turn off, they no longer listen to you. So if you want to be consistent with your messaging, just choose one message. Say it in a way that can connect with your audience, that they can engage with, and you'll have much better connection if you do that than if you have multiple messages and just cause confusion. If you want more tips, just put more tips in the comments below, and I'll share some with you over the next few days.